Wildlife on Mercer Island can oftentimes be overwhelming. Notice here the beauty and complacence of the lakes neighborhood. The silence is deafening. Notice here the flower petals which have accumulated on the lake's surface, adding another sense of death and renewal. As can be seen from the aerial view of Mercer Island, the flora and fauna is simply stunning. We decided to take a walk through the Netherlands of Mercer Island. Unsure of what we would encounter on our journey, we continued forth warily. After searching for hours, we were unable to find one single form of natural life. So we decided to hop in the Jeep and continue searching because walking was taking far too long. Sadly, there are no longer any forms of wildlife on Mercer Island. Due to aggressive developing and few natural spaces, there is not much we can do. Now, if you truly cared about the environment, you would burn down your house, plant a couple trees, and live in a hole in the ground. Sadly, that does not work for most people, but it does work for a few. You could be one of those people